Most people believe they will die months after society collapses, from hunger, from violence, from disease. They imagine a slow decline and a long struggle for survival. That belief is dangerously wrong. History shows something far more brutal. Most people do not die months later. They die in the first 72 hours. Not because the world suddenly ends in fire or explosions, but because their minds collapse first. Fear takes control, logic disappears, and panic rewrites reality. Before the streets fall apart, the human mind already has. The first 3 days are the most dangerous period of any collapse. Every decision matters and every mistake compounds. Once those 72 hours are gone, there is no second chance. Collapse does not arrive with explosions or sirens. It does not announce itself. It arrives quietly and without warning. The lights go out, phones stop working, ATMs freeze, and the internet disappears. Daily life pauses and never resumes. Normality ends suddenly. People assume help is coming. They wait for instructions. They trust that someone is still in control, but no one is. Collapse means every system fails at the same time. Power, water, medicine, and law all disappear together. There is no backup plan. There is only what you do next. The first 24 hours are not chaos. They are denial. People refuse to accept that the rules have changed, and denial wastes time. They stay inside. They listen to rumors. They wait for reassurance that never comes. Meanwhile, resources quietly disappear. Water shelves empty first. Fuel disappears next. Hospitals overload within hours. By the time panic begins, it is already too late. Survivors act early, not aggressively and not loudly. They move calmly before fear spreads, before crowds become dangerous. By the second day, reality finally sets in. There is no power, no updates, and no rescue. Hope fades and panic replaces it. Crowds form around empty stores. Arguments escalate into violence. People fight over supplies they do not even need. Fear turns ordinary people into threats. Most deaths now do not come from disasters. They come from human behavior under stress. Unpredictable, irrational, and desperate. In collapse, visibility becomes vulnerability. Noise attracts danger. Attention invites conflict. The safest place is the one no one notices. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Intelligence alone does not save you. In fact, overthinking often gets people killed. Stress paralyzes the mind. People analyze instead of acting. They search for perfect decisions. Eventually, time runs out. Survivors simplify. They accept reality quickly. They control fear instead of fighting it. They move forward without hesitation. Hunger and thirst are not the first killers. Panic is. Crowds are. Trusting the wrong people is. The wrong ally is deadlier than no ally. The wrong shelter is worse than no shelter. In collapse, bad choices compound quickly. Those who survive the first 72 hours share clear patterns. They move early. They stay quiet. They avoid unnecessary risks. They understand one critical truth. Doing nothing is still a decision. In collapse, inaction kills just as surely as panic. Collapse does not kill most people. The first 72 hours do. Survive the first 3 days and your chances increase dramatically. Fail them, and nothing else matters.